Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room for Tuesday, December 17th, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. No other sessions today, so we're done with that. On the top, so if we need to expand one of our charts. Crude in a long trade, first trade of the morning. Setup was at 905.22, and it's just been hanging around, just broken through the 50 EMA. Third excursion through the 50, actually fifth excursion through the 50. See if it will hold this time. Unleaded also in a long trade. It's first of the morning. Setup was at 903.35. Triggered in between 905.20 and 907.44. Triggered in a little bar. And that is right at entry. Crude is also right at the original entry. Didn't hold above the 50 yet. We're back a tick or two below the 50 now. Pound Aussie also has a trade on. Short trade setup on the YM. That's a get in sync at this point, but it doesn't look like it's going to get in sync for long. Looks like it's going to hit money management, so chances are that's going to be no trade situation. Yep, that's a no trade. Soybeans also in a trade that's gone too far. So looking for new trades for the YM. Also, please note, the energies, crude and unleaded, rolled over this morning, as did our market indices, Micro Russell, YM, and Micro NQ. Those rolled over to the March contracts, crude and unleaded to the February contracts. Make sure your charts are on the appropriate. And we have a short on the YM, and that is market open. And now a long. Full stop out on the short, long. Triggers in at 042. Unleaded and crude both take full stop outs. YM working in the long trade now. Micro Russell. Yeah, that's an entry right at market open, and we have a swing up that will definitely put us in the trade. That gets a full target, small trailer, and we now are in a long trade. Micro Russell on the March contract, money management. YM long. Back to entry and pulling back to the short side. Money management on the Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is in the short. Getting very close to target one. Target one is at 99.87. And we got as low as 87.7, so not quite yet. Break even stop out on the Micro Russell. YM pushing into positive territory. Still not quite the target one. There is money management and target one on the YM. So this will be a winning trade. $40 ticks to target one. $34 tick risk on the first losing trade, so that's 68 tick loss. I said we got 40 on target. We're at 64 from 42. So we've got 22 ticks in hand on the trailer. So we're only down about 6 ticks at the moment. There's another stop move up to 68. So that is 26 ticks on the trailer. So we're down 2 ticks. Long trade on the micro Russell. And we stopped out of the out of the YM. That gets us within 2 ticks of even. And we'll get another trade on that one. One moment. All right, back again. We do an A76. And we did hit money management. And so we have a break-even stop out. So that's 2 quick break-evens. And 1 win, 2 break-evens. Nothing on crude and unleaded. We did get target 1 on the pound Aussie. So that is going to be a power quitting trade when it completes short on the micro Russell. And that takes a full loss. YM gave us a quick short. It was a break even. And there's a new short on the micro Russell. That is on Catapult Trader. Yeah, we need to go down 1 to get our minimum 14 ticks for money management. 4. Okay. Get it right in a minute. Soybeans as a long trade. Stop is 1 tick above the session low. I would push it at least 1 tick below. So that will go to 74 flat. Looks like we went up and hit the stop, then came back to our entry on the micro Russell trade. That would be a valid trade if that's the case. I wasn't watching closely right then. That gets us money management, so we would have the stop at 82.7. There's target 3. That's win number 2 on the 5th trade. Looking for target 4. There's target 4. $81.7 for a stop. Make it 81.3. YM has a long trade. We are dead even. Actually, we didn't get target 1 because it's too small, I believe. Yep, 17 ticks, so we didn't get target, so we're dead even. So we're in the long trade on the YM. Stop and reverse on the YM. 62. $9.62 for the stop and reverse. Let's see if it. Looks like we survived. We're still in the long. Survived by a tick. Pound Aussie approaching its trailing stop. That has moved down another tick, or another pip rather. 20002. that actually should major key level back to, although we've hit a target, so I would hold it there. Okay, we're still in the original long trade. The short is canceled on the 1 a.m. We've got a new long trade, but we're still in our original long right back here. And we have longs on crude and on unleaded. And there's money management and target 1 on crude. We took a 23 tick risk, so that's a 46 tick loss on the first trade. $14 tick target 1. And we're down 32. Potential stop and reverse on soybeans. 76 flat. And we stopped out on pound Aussie, so it is done. And I'm going to slide unleaded over there. See what has happened on the micro NQ this morning. 4-minute wait to our start time. So 8:34 Central, 9:34 Eastern. Central is the exchange time for this market. No long trade, didn't ever trigger. The short trade is a full loss. And we go long, definitely in the trade. Going to target 4 and stopping out. We have a loss and a win. Trade 3 is a full loss. That's 2 full losses. Trade 4 should be avoidable, or this long trade should be avoidable. Yeah, that bar was just 14 seconds. So chances are that went down pretty quickly. And we are waiting for our 4th trade now. And there it is. It's a short. Looks like we stopped out of the micro Russell trade right there. So that's 2 wins, 2 break-evens, and 1 loss. Still in the long on soybeans. Oh, we had a No, we stopped and reversed to short. At 79. So short on the YM. So we're going to be down a few ticks. Okay, crude takes one tick. So we're down 31 with one trade remaining that we're going to have to get into in the next 7 minutes. Unleaded, stopping and reversing for trade number 3. 535. I'm sorry, 3-4. Not going to enter a 5. It did trigger in. And the YM takes a full stop out on the short and transitions to long. That makes it a stop and reverse. 44.16. Yep. YM now showing us a pretty strong move. Pulls back at about 42 or 3, about 43. Short trade on crude for trade number 3. And target on the YM. We go to 0.17 for the stop. That was 34 ticks, so we're positive. No, we're not. World market 26 for the target. We went from 996 to 979. 1734 ticks on the stop and reverse. 33, 37, 74 on the stop out. So we're down 110. Got 26 on the target. Actually, no, 24. So we're down 86. Stop at 029. Target 1 on unleaded. There's trade number 3 on crude. That's our last trade of the morning. Unleaded coming close to target 2. YM at 034. Stop 240, 048. From 16 is 32. All right, that's the second loss on the micro NQ and a third loss. So micro NQ is done. We'll bring unleaded back over to that position. Soybeans is in the short. Okay. Soybeans money management will go to 74.5. And our first actionable target will be target 2. 2 positions coming off there. So we're down 54 on the YM. Another short on Micro Russell. It got quiet for a few minutes. And now we have a break even. So the final trade of the day is a break even. 3 break evens, 2 wins, and a loss. Target 2 on unleaded. probably not going to get it positive. That's not a terribly large trade. 43 ticks. Yeah, we lost 96 on the second trade. And we lost 98 on the first. So yeah, we're definitely still in negative territory. The short on the YM was filtered out because of the squeeze zone. So down 194. Oh no, we're not down that far, I'm sorry. Down 98, and we went 66 to 34, I believe it was, wasn't it? Yeah, 66 to 34. So that is 32, 64. So we're down 162. So and we get 38 on target because of stop and burst adjustment. So down 124. I think we got in sync with this for our 10 a.m. So this is the final 9 a.m. session trade as well as the first 10 a.m. session trade on crude. Stop on unleaded is at 33, 533. And we're in a short trade on YM. Money management. Target 1 is only 18, so we'll go to target 2. And we did pick up target 2, 28 ticks. What did I say? We were down 50, 54. Yeah, we picked up 32 on the trailer. So we're down 54. Less 28 is 26. Stop now at 016. Money management on soybeans. 75 3/4 for the stop. Oh, 11. The YM stop. And now down to 06. 006. We need to get basically we need to get to target 2 to get power of quitting. 001. Now 996. Target 2 was 991. So that would put us up 2 ticks. Right now we're down 3 ticks. Looks like we're going to go to 986. There it is. So that is going to be power quitting on the YM. Crude has a stop and reverse for the 10 a.m. session. It'll be a stop and reverse exit for the 9 a.m. session. It's going to be at 33. YM stop down to 71. And we get target 2, so 2 positions come off on soybeans. And the YM stops out at 70. 971. That ends the YM session. Crude still short. Soybeans is still short. Now looking for target 3. Let's see what we've got there. Entry was 76 flat. 9 ticks times 2, so 18 ticks. 4.5 points. There is our next actionable target, 72.5. $95.18 for the unleaded stop. $75.75 still stop for the soybeans trade. Soybeans target 3 is going to be 3.5 points. Stop. Now we stopped out of unleaded, and now we have a long trade setup. And that triggers in. Stop for that trade plotted is right on the session low, so I'd drop that down to 477. Stop and reverse on crude did cancel. So in the short. Crude starting to push down. Unleaded taking heat in the long trade. Crude testing its session lows. Session low at 69.10. And money management and target one on crude. 69.06 for target. 21 for the stop. Looking for 68.97 for target 2. And soybean stops out. Probably can take another trade there. And let him stop out and then transition to a short. $69.18 for crude stop. One tick, and there's target, so that completes that trade. Standalone 10 a.m. session, that's one and done. 9 a.m. session, we needed that was 46. We got 15 there. Needed 31. We got 16 and 25. We got 41. So plus 10 in the morning for the 9 a.m. session. 10 a.m. session got 41. That's a standalone session. If you're trading both and you don't have a sufficient account or sufficient margin to trade double position, adding a positions for the 10 a.m. session, then you would be waiting for the next trade. But I am going to have to say goodbye this morning. I have to make it to an appointment. Get ready for an appointment. So we will see everybody tomorrow. One note for Christmas and New Year's weeks, I will be traveling, so the room will be dark those 2 weeks. We'll go through our regular sessions this week, and then we'll come back on January 6th. Everybody have a good one. We will see everybody at 9:30 tomorrow morning. Crude oil inventory report at 10:30. Everybody have a good one.